Social media giant Reddit is set to introduce an enhanced search experience this year designed to help users navigate the platform and find answers to complex questions. Established in 2005 by Steve Huffman, who's also the platform's CEO, and entrepreneur Alexis Ohanian, Reddit is renowned for its diverse range of niche discussion communities. According to CEO Steve Huffman, the upgrade will integrate Reddit Answers, a feature that provides curated summaries of relevant responses and threads into its existing search functionality. Huffman noted the massive corpus of information accumulated on Reddit over the past 20 years, stating that the company is now working to unlock this valuable resource. Huffman said during Reddit's Q4 2024 earnings call, "We're starting to tap into this massive corpus of information with answers." Moreover, Reddit CFO Drew Valero noted that the company is recruiting engineers to form a dedicated search team to support this initiative. Last year, the company also made significant efforts to embrace artificial intelligence technology, introducing AI-powered translation to numerous territories and rolling out AI-powered insights for brands. Additionally, Reddit began testing AI-powered search result pages, which summarize and recommend content across different communities. It should be noted that Reddit has 101.7 million daily active unique users, up 39% year over year.